Hey guys, how are ya? Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. This week is the last Halloween look, sadly. It's not gonna be scary, it's not gonna be gory, it's not gonna be bloody, it's just gonna be something I've always wanted to do that I've never had the chance to do. This week I want to do a Pharaoh / Cleopatra look. I don't know which direction it's going. I guess more Pharaoh. Ever since the movie The Prince of Egypt, I've just been interested in becoming a pharaoh. So today I'm going to become a pharaoh. I ordered this cool bracelet off of Amazon that was really cheap. But yeah, it's one of the little snake charm things. Also, quick update, we have more puppies. These are my new glasses. They are blue light filter glasses, so they filter out any blue light while I'm editing or watching YouTube videos or on the computer, which I don't really get on the computer, so. But, do you guys want to see the puppies? Do you want to see the puppies? You can't even see my eyes. Hi.
Oh, Wiki, let me see the puppies. Let me see the puppies, Wiki. Oh my goodness. See the babies. The babies. Oh my goodness, it's magic. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at that little baby. Oh my goodness.
There's 5 of them. Yeah, 5. Before we get started today, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button if you would like. If you like this video. Enough of this long ass intro. Let's get into the video. Last Halloween look of the year, Pharaoh.
Let's go.
Woo! Alright. So this week, as I said, I'm going to do the Pharaoh look. Look what Caitlin got me. Little, what are they called? 100 pieces disposable makeup toolkit. Follow her at this, I think it's I Love Caitlin. It's right here, I don't know. What these are disposable dough foots. So I can use different makeups over different makeups and not mess up my makeups. Today for primer, we are going to use a little bit of everything. I want to use my glassy primer. This is what I got in the October BoxyCharm, but I don't want to use a lot. We just want to add a little bit for grab, you know? Just to add a little bit of grab to it, because we love a makeup that grabs onto your skin. Also, we're going to use some e.l.f. Poreless Primer. We're going to use some Poreless Putty Primer. Can I tell you what my current obsession is right now, and you not judge me? I'm addicted to listening to Bigfoot stories on the YouTube channel Dixie Cryptid. They're scary. We're also going to use my blur stick. I dug this out of the makeup graveyard, which we need to do a full face of makeup graveyard one day. Also, sorry if you hear the puppies in the background. I can't help it, they're babies. What do you do? Gosh, my nose is itching. Oh. I'm going for a kind of full face of glam because the ancient Egyptians, honey, they loved a full face. And the reason why I'm putting concealer on my nose first is that so it mats down and can hold the makeup better. gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're gonna dab that around. Let's go around the perimeter with the Warm Honey Maybelline. That created sort of a perimeter. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick. Taking my Jeffree Star JS7 brow brush and spoolie. We're gonna brush up on the hairs. We're gonna dip into our e.l.f. pot. Wow. We are also going to use we're also going to use our $1 billion brows, the Microblade Effect brow pen by somebody, by them, and it's shade dark. Don't know what that did, but okay. Let's take our Jeffree Star concealer in shade C8. You know what? Let's put one of these doe foots to the test. Caitlin, I wasn't gonna use one this video, but I guess I am now. Just for you, bitch. Wow, that's weird. Oh. So since we're glamming and all, let's go ahead and do our under eye concealer with the Jeffree Star C8. We're going to use our e.l.f. cream contour. We're going to take our darkest shade and we're going to outline the face. Okay, and let's take our e.l.f. blending brush. We are going to set under our eyes with the Becca Hydra Mist powder. We are also going to use our Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and we're going to go around the face. We are going to apply blush with our old blush palette. We're going to take our blush brush and really dig in them colors. Add a little rosy to the cheek. We'll add a little butter highlighter because it's a nice gold cream. Before I take a quick break, I'm going to contour my nose. And to do that, we're just gonna use a natural haired brush. We're going to use our butter bronzer. Very lightly, we're gonna contour out the nose. So let's take our little swatch stick we had and add a little bit of color right here. The nose is as contoured as it's going to get tonight. We are going to set all of this in with our new Skin & Company Truffle Therapy. I'm going to take a quick break, and when I come back, we're gonna finish up this look. We're back. I have put on some of my costume just so we can bring the look together a little bit, and I'm liking where this is going. I might be this for Halloween for real. I think this is my real Halloween costume. If this is my real Halloween costume, give this video a thumbs up. All right, so we just need to do our eyes and our lips. Now, the ancient Egyptians believed in a heavy wing, sis. So to assist us today, we have our blue and gold eye glitter. Ooh. I guess we can use black eyeliner since that's what they used. I kind of want to do it with brown though, with my Hank & Henry brown pencil. Can I do it in brown, or will it still have the same effect? I probably shouldn't do it in brown. I should probably do it in black. Okay, I put on more of my costume so that we can see more of the look together. I'm going to start out with my brown Hank & Henry, but if I want black, we're gonna switch to black. I noticed that their eyebrows are kind of swooped out like that. Oh shit. Now to make things look pretty, I'm gonna put a white in my waterline. Now that we have white in our waterline, we're gonna take our black pencil and we're going to go underneath that waterline. That is thick, honey. Thick, 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 thick. It's an odd shape, isn't it? Maybe once we put lashes on, it'll be better. We can only hope. For our eye color, I wanted to pick the perfect shade of blue, so I found it in our Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Okay, so we're gonna use this light blue right here, and we're going to put it above the eyeliner only. Let's take our BH Cosmetics packing brush. We're going to dip into the color. We're gonna pack it on our lid. We are going to take the James Charles palette and we're going to take a shade Playground. Wow, and use that to kind of blend up. I thought I was recording. I haven't been recording this whole time. Why? Oh my God. I don't know. Hold on. We're back and we are recording. So let's finish this look. We are going to add on some lashes. But before we put on lashes, we're going to do gold on the inner corner. And we're going to take this blue. I'm gonna let this dry before I mess anything up and I'll be back. All right, guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I made a chin piece to go right here. but not even hot glue will stick it to my face. Due to my lazy eye, I kept messing up my glitter on this eye, but it's okay. This is the last October look, the last of my Halloween looks. I really wanted to be a Pharaoh for Halloween this year, so this is what I am, a Pharaoh. My neck piece was actually an armband, 2 armbands that came with the costume, but they didn't work on my arms. So they are a neck piece. I was really doubting this look at first, but I actually really like the way it turned out. It's a little over the top, just what I needed. I wish my makeup was better, but it's not. But you're just gonna have to deal. Everybody have a happy, safe Halloween. I'll see you next week. Don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be notified, and have a blessed night. Good night. Bye, everybody.